Hi, Sue.
Can you hear me okay? Because I have my earpiece in.
Yes, I can hear you fine.
Okay.
Are you with your family, Sue?
I am. I have Connor and Devin with me.
Hi, boys.
Brand new children.
Muscle men. We could not have done it without them last week. They worked there.
Thank you for helping your grandma with her house. That's just amazing, you guys. I wanted to let you know that we've finished with the fundraiser and the Marine Corps families came together in a really big way, Sue. I think everybody was really ready for a feel-good story, and as tragic as this is for your family, it came at the right time for the rest of us.
I am so thankful for your willingness to help me, and I gotta say, I am just blown away by the fact that people who don't know me, they don't know my family, the only association we have is that we are Marine parents, and the support is just incredible.
It's just truly amazing.
It is.
These Marine families came together in a huge way, and we've exceeded our $10,000 goal. I've got a check for you for $11,101.68.
Yeah, woohoo! Did you guys didn't hear that? I got to tell the boys because I have my earpiece in. But $11,000 that people are donating to help build my house.
You might make me pass out, Grandma.
I know. Give me 5.
Be quiet,
This represents hundreds of families from all across the nation that came together in support of you at a time when our country really needed a feel-good story, and you brought that to us, and
Right.
we needed that. Helping you helped us all.
Yes. And caring for people, just getting out of your own life and your own schedule to reach out and care for somebody else.
And jackhammer is fine. This is jackhammer's fine.
It's incredible.
Will you say that again? I put my speaker on. I want the boys to get to hear that.
Sure. I want to tell you guys thank you for helping your grandma with her house. That's really, really amazing that you guys know how to do that kind of work and are willing to put in long, hard days like that. That's just fantastic.
That it was awesome. It encouraged all of us that were there that day feeling really tired and wiped out to see those guys just not stop.
That's right. That's right. That's fantastic.
Well, I'm tired.
Sue, we will get a check cut and sent out to you very, very shortly. In fact, I'm signing checks today.
Okay.
So, we'll get that taken care of, and hopefully this will buy another little bit to get another little piece done in the home, and we're happy to help. And it was an honor to do this for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And it's not just a little done, it's huge. It's huge. And I'm so thankful for what people have done. And I'm humbled, and I hope I can do it for somebody else next time around.
That's right. Thank you, Sue.